I'm Mark.
And I'm Faye.
We're the Grill Dads, and welcome back to the FlexFlame Getting Started video series.
And if you're interested in learning how to smoke on the Ninja FlexFlame, you're definitely in the right place. The Ninja FlexFlame is equipped with Ninja Woodfire technology.
That technology has three parts: our cyclonic fan, our all-natural wood pellets, and our integrated smoke box.
Which means it gives you delicious and rich smoky flavor all around your food. There are a couple of instances where it's great to use the Ninja Woodfire technology, like, for example, low and slow. Tell them about that.
Any food that's going to take longer than an hour to cook is usually going to be done low and slow. Think about American barbecue classics like brisket and ribs.
Let's use pork shoulder as an example.
When using the low and slow function, you do not need to preheat the grill. So we're going to take our seasoned pork shoulder out of the fridge, place it in the center of the FlexFlame while it's still cold, and then start the ignition. And remember, smoke adheres better to cold food, so this is a great way to start.
Let's go ahead and set up the Ninja FlexFlame for low and slow smoking.
First, add 2 cups of pellets to the smoke box. Then, ignite the burners and turn the dial to low and slow. And finally, press the Woodfire flavor button to start the smoke.
Let's smoke!
After about 4 to 6 hours, when your pork shoulder is probe tender and has a beautiful bark, take it off.
So what if you want that authentic smoky flavor, but you don't have time for low and slow?
That's easy. The FlexFlame has you covered because you can add Woodfire flavor on every single one of the functions and use smoke up to 600 degrees.
All right, let's say I have some chicken wings and I want to use the grilled pizza setting on the Ninja FlexFlame. What do?
It's super simple. You add 2 cups of pellets to the smoke box, you ignite your pilot burner, turn the knob to grill pizza, set the temperature to 425 degrees, and then hit the Woodfire flavor button to ignite the pellets. Wait for your FlexFlame to be fully preheated and for the pellets to be fully ignited, and then add your wings for 20 minutes.
Wait, so you're telling me in 20 minutes, I'm gonna get super crispy chicken wings that are juicy and delicious?
And smoky.
If you need additional space for smoking your food, the Ninja FlexFlame actually comes with an Indirect Rack for smoking and roasting foods.
Smoke is directed at that rack, so not only do things cook fast up there, but they get great smoky flavor.
And if you want to double your capacity in the Ninja FlexFlame, guess what? They offer an expandable smoke and roast rack that you can put right in there.
That means you can fit 3 entire racks of ribs.
Okay, let's say you want to maximize the amount of smoky flavor you're going to have in your cook. Super easy. All you do, add more pellets to the smoke box.
If the embers are still lit, just add more pellets. But if not, no problem. All you have to do is add more pellets to the smoke box and then press the Woodfire flavor button twice to ignite the new pellets.
After you cook, it's important to properly dispose of the pellet ashes.
And we want to do it safely. So we're going to allow the FlexFlame to fully cool. Once it's cool, we're going to remove the pellet box and discard all the contents. And remember, we want to do this after every use.
Yeah, but you know what? You can take those ashes and you can spread them in your garden. And if you want to grow potatoes, or maybe you want corn, or how about some carrots,
That's awesome.
or some broccoli.
Great. We got it though.
Anyway, well, that's it. Smoking on the Ninja FlexFlame in a nutshell.
Smoking has never been so fast or easy.